Hello, iHasco have been providing the construction and manufacturing sectors with high quality e-learning for over a decade. We help organisations of all sizes work seamlessly towards legislative compliance without breaking the bank or disrupting their daily routines. And with workplace training, the more engaging and time efficient it is, the better. Not only do our online courses tick these boxes, but they also make sure that your staff stay safe, happy and productive. Our courses are thoroughly researched, written to be accurate and interesting, filmed and animated in a way which holds your attention, and they are all approved or accredited for your reassurance. We understand that you also need a system that allows you to easily keep tabs on staff training, so our free learning management system gives you all of the smart features you need without the unnecessary baggage or admin cost of a complex LMS, and it's so easy to use. Never forget we have a team of e-learning experts who are always on hand to help, and we're proud to say that's why thousands of organisations across the UK trust iHasco. Getting started is simple. Which of our award-winning courses can we interest you in first? You can trial our courses for free or request a quote today.